Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix your Aura frame not connecting to the application in 2026. Now, your Aura digital frame and your phone must be on the same Wi-Fi network during the setup. If your phone is on mobile data or a different network, the application will not detect the frame. So you need to switch both to the same Wi-Fi and then you need to try again. If after doing this step it doesn't connect yet, then you can check the internet type. Now some of the routers uses combined networks or only 5 gigahertz. The Aura frame network connects more reliably with the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if your network is mixed, you can try separating the bands or moving closer to the router. Now if in your case the Wi-Fi is correct and the application may not find your frame, so you just have to make sure that the Aura application has local network access, Bluetooth permission and the location permission as well. Now, even after doing this, if the connection is not establishing, you just have to simply restart all three things. You just have to first of all restart your phone. You need to restart your router and your Aura frame. Then you just have to open the application and try connecting it again. Now, in order to connect it, in your Aura application, it will ask whether you want to connect it for yourself or for someone else. So after selecting for me option, simply tap on the option of it is powered on. Then you just have to allow access to Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and whatever it asks for. Then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically set up and connect your Aura frame with the Aura application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.